Cardano ADA hangs out in the crypto space with a logical improvement approach, utilizing a three-layer engineering and the energy-effective Ouroboros evidence of stake agreement calculation. Its exceptional elements incorporate companion looked into improvement, a depository framework for decentralized independent direction, and a promise to interoperability, making Cardano a solid, eco-accommodating, and comprehensive blockchain stage. Assuming you're searching for Cardano cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Cardano ADA will go from here on out, we will dissect the previous costs of Cardano ADA and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally inconceivable. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? Cardano outline. Cardano is a noticeable digital money and blockchain stage known for its logical way to deal with improvement. Established by Ethereum fellow benefactor Charles Hoskinson, Cardano carries out a three-layer engineering to improve versatility and adaptability. Its novel Ouroboros verification of stake agreement calculation empowers secure exchanges and approval through marking, offering a more energy-proficient option in contrast to customary evidence of work frameworks. How Cardano functions. 1. Cardano Settlement Layer CSL. The CSL is liable for dealing with ADA exchanges and works on the Ouroboros agreement calculation. This layer guarantees secure and proficient shared exchanges inside the ADA organization. 2. Cardano Calculation Layer CCL. The CCL is intended to oblige savvy contracts and decentralized applications dApps. Cardano means to give a protected and versatile climate for designers to make inventive arrangements on its blockchain. 3. Cardano Control Layer. The control layer oversees the convention's advancement through decentralized independent direction. ADA executes a depository framework, permitting the local area to propose and decide on convention redesigns. This popularity-based approach guarantees an aggregate and comprehensive improvement process. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Cardano is $145.87 and ADA is at present positioned #10 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Cardano is 35,689,172.410 with a market cap of $16,369,628,757. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.18% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Cardano is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The ADA is down to nearly 192% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have, however. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in present moment. Cardano Value Forecast 2024. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $638 in 2024. The Cardano cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.16639 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.58821 all through 2024. Cardano Value Expectation 2025. The cost of one Cardano is supposed to reach at least degree of $22.26 in 2025. The ADA cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.98845 with the typical cost of $0.459 all through 2025. ADA value figure for 2026. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Cardano is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $1.16. The ADA cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.41 with the typical worth of $0.21. Cardano ADA Value Forecast 2027. Cardano cost is estimate to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $1.69 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $2.4 with the typical figure cost of $0.75. Cardano Value Forecast 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA, in 2028 the cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at least degree of $252. The ADA cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $305 with the typical exchanging cost of $259. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at least worth of $3.64 in 2029. The Cardano cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $4.35, with the typical exchanging cost of $3.77 all through 2029. Cardano ADA Value Forecast 2030. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $5.49 in 2030. The Cardano cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $6.35, with the typical cost of $5.64 all through 2030. Cardano Value Estimate 2031. Cardano cost is estimate to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $7.89 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.48, with a typical figure cost of $8.11. Cardano ADA Value Expectation 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA, in 2032 the cost of Cardano is determined to be at around a base worth of $10.69. The Cardano value worth can arrive at a limit of $13.44, with the typical exchanging worth of $11.02 in USD. Cardano Value Expectation 2033. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $15.88. The ADA cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $18.98, with the typical exchanging cost of $16.32. Cardano Value Conjecture 2040. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is pivotal, however opinion can be whimsical. Looking at current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments. However, taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the most extreme cost of Cardano is supposed to reach $305.64, with a typical exchanging worth of $261.10. The base cost is projected to be around $239.56. ADA Value Conjecture for 2050. The reception and true use instances of a cryptographic money are similarly crucial contemplations. Projects with pragmatic applications and far and wide reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Cardano cost estimate for 2050, ADA is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $392.46 in 2050. The base anticipated cost of ADA coin in 2050 is supposed to be around $336.49, while the typical cost of the Cardano for 2050 is projected to be $358.52. Cardano Value Estimate Facts. What is the Cardano cost today? Today, Cardano ADA is exchanging at $45.87 with the market cap of $16,369,628,757,000. What is the eventual fate of Cardano? The eventual fate of Cardano is profoundly subject to the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into ADA,